Alright, so here we have a rear coilover broken down. You're going to have the bottom portion. It's going to have your bottom mount, obviously your collars, and then the shaft itself. Then we have your spring, dust boot, the bump stop. This is going to be your bottom washer, the top spring perch, isolator pad, the actual top plate itself, top washer, the nut, and then this is going to be the clicker adjuster that gives you your audible feedback. It's important to note that once you are putting this piece on, there's actually a recessed section right here, and this is actually going to face down on the actual shaft itself. On the shaft, you'll note that there is a little retaining clip right here, and this recessed section, once you put it on here, is actually going to click just in place, and then your top plate is going to sit on top of here with the other washer on top. So as a quick breakdown, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to actually throw these together. So your spring is going to go right on over top. You're going to need to make sure that your collars are far enough down to allow for the top plate to sit in place. And obviously make sure that your bump stop is on before everything else. Just for the sake of ease, I'm not going to throw it on yet. Alright, so that should be enough room. Next, you want to take your isolator pad, set it on top of the spring, and then you're going to take the actual top plate itself and make sure that the bushing is touching against this. You don't want any pressure on the spring yet, so just set that on top. And now you'll see like that's flush. The spring still has some movement to it, so you know that it's actually sitting against that washer. Once that's in place, go ahead and throw the top washer. There's no recessed areas on the inside. It's actually thinner than the other one, you'll notice. Throw that on top, and then throw your top 19mm nut on. This you want to tighten down. Use an Allen key on the inside of the actual strut top. You'll see that portion right in here. And then use a 19mm wrench to, tighten it up. And you want to go about 70-75 foot-pounds of torque. For the actual dust boot, you can put that, once you have your lower washer in there, you can actually take the dust boot, drop it right on, and it'll actually set in between that, and it holds it in place and keeps dirt and just everyday road grime out of the actual seals. Kind of elongates their lifetime. If you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, support@iscsuspension-na.com, or give us a call at 603-715-9078. Thanks again, guys.